Matt from Refined Logic, and we've just upgraded this very nice 2015 5K 27-inch iMac with a very fast NVMe SSD, which basically fits into the back of the logic board, so it's quite a job to change. But so this was running very slow originally. It had the standard 1 terabyte SSD hard drive in it, which only runs about 160 megabyte a second. This is about 3,500 megabyte a second. So as soon as you turn it on, there's no waiting around for it to load. The customer had already tried to speed it up himself by adding RAM, but to be honest, RAM doesn't help the computer start up. It just allows more things open once it's loaded. It's more apps open at once, so it just goes straight in. Anything you click, it's just instant. You're not waiting around for it to load at all. So this customer also, we get the option of fitting a standard hard drive in it as well. So he's had a 2 terabyte standard hard drive, which is great for storage, and then we've got the 1 terabyte NVMe for ridiculous speed. So if you've got one of these slim iMacs, if you didn't pay the £400 extra for a 256 gig SSD when it was new, the chances are you're still running this slow spinning disk with motors and magnets. It's just old technology. It needs. We can make your life a lot easier. There's no spinning beach ball. Everything's just seamless. So we can upgrade iMacs from anything from 2006 up to the latest 2020 models. Thank you.